And now I have to design the second thing, and that's the mobile form. So what am I referring to? If I go back to my accounts in the mobile app and open a form, so I tap on the, let's say, the first account here, you can see that the form in this case includes a number of different sections, such as info. That info section includes number of fields. Same goes for address. There's actually a map component there as well. And then there are some associated views. So I see opportunities related to this account, activities related to this account, assets, work orders, and also notes. And this is pretty much how we can design the form. So let me go back to the Woodford tool. And now, Bogdan, I haven't forgotten about your question if we can import the forms from CRM. This is actually the one thing that is not possible. We requested to actually redesign the forms from scratch. The views, yes, views can be imported. The forms, however, not. Why? Because Resco supports now so many touch points that it would be really hard to take something that was usually originally designed for large screens of laptops or desktop computers and try to fit it on small screens of mobile phones. Now we also work with wearable technologies and AR, VR headsets. So I believe there's a good reason why we have to do it from scratch. Actually, it can be done pretty quickly. So let me show you how it's done. So I'll click on the new form. I'll just call it default. That's fine because I'm just going to have one. And this is my form designer. I'll make it a little bit smaller. In my application, as part of the accounts, I pointed out that we have those different sections here, like info, address, map, and then the associated views, contacts, opportunities. So in my default version, I only have one section called general, but I can add as many as I want by clicking on the add detail. So let me just show it to you. Very easy, as many as I want to have. I can create those in the app. I can rename them if I don't want to call them general, etc. But let's say I just delete these for now. So on the general tab or section, I'll have the name of the competitor. I clicked on this white canvas so that Woodford knows we're gonna actually design that form. So I can now just drag and drop some of the fields that I wanna have as part of the general. So I put there the created on and modified on, and I think that's good. And I'll add another detail. I'll call it address and click on the white canvas. Okay, sorry. Let me just zoom it out. There we go. So address, and I'll put there the city, the country, the street 1 and street 2 fields. And just in case, I'll also add the zip code there. Maybe I want to reorder them a little bit to make better sense. If I want to add some spacers, I can do that as well. So maybe just under zip code, I'll add the spacer, and street 2 I put here and add a spacer there to make it a little easier on the eye. If I wanted to, I would again be able to add maybe some tables, some action buttons, images, even iframes or media tabs, map tabs, etc., etc. So make this form a really rich experience. And similar to views, we also have access to rules. So if you want to create some custom logic or logic behind the form, it's definitely possible right here with the views, and also access to commands if you want to trigger specific action based on the content input, etc. So I think this looks good for our purposes. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So I'll save and close this.